Hi guys! Hello! Good evening sa inyo. Kamusta kayo mga loves? So guys, for today's vlog, samahan niyo ako ngayon na mamamasyal ako sa labas kasama yung friend kong Pakistani, si Hasan. Medyo matagal na rin kasi kami hindi nagkikita kasi nga nagkaroon siya ng bagong work. So yun, ngayon timing naman, day off ko tapos day off niya rin. So perfect timing para magkita kami tsaka mamasyal. So, since malapit na yung Christmas, guys, samahan niyo ako pumunta dun sa isang place dito sa may Hamdan, which is Marks and Spencer. Kasi meron ako nung pinupuntahan during holiday season na ganito, mag-Christmas saka New Year. Meron silang giant Christmas tree. So, titingnan ko kung ano yung itsura, kung same pa rin last year. Kasi every year ginagawa nila yun. So, yun. Samahan niyo ako, guys. Tapos ayun, after nun siguro mamasyal namin, kakain kami ni Hasan sa somewhere dito sa Along Hamdan. So yun guys, see you. Yung aking friend si Hasan. How are you? So how was your new work? It's good? Huh?
I'm not coming your vlog.
Huh?
I'm not coming your vlog.
You don't like only...
No.
This my friend guys, meet Hasan. So where are you working now? Huh? Office? Driver? Good. What are you driving? What type of car? Bus?
No, car. This car.
Like this? Okay.
Not car.
So how was your work? It's good. Come here. You know this mall? It's your off today, no?
Okay.
Yeah, same like me, my off today. That's why I messaged my friend to come with me and check this Christmas decoration. So, you live where? Which place? Tourist club. Oh, okay. It's good there.
Nearby the office.
It's good.
It's good. Pakistan restaurant.
Oh, fine for me. Room.
Yeah.
If you know, huh? I want to move, transfer. Because guys, before Hasan is living only here, this area, no? But you change your work.
Same like this area, like tourist club.
But because you change your work, no? Now, right? So where do you want to eat?
Because I believe my hard work.
Where are we going to eat after? Did you try that one, the restaurant here near Ramdan? Next to Aliyah? Al-Aliyah, the one with the red sign.
Like
What's the name? Satar?
Satar?
Satar, yeah. Something like that. I don't know if it's Arabic. I think it's not Arabic. Only the name.
It's fresh chicken?
No, it's spicy and fresh. We try already there no, before.
Which one?
No, the other one in the front along the highway. Along the street. That one.
Yeah, this new open.
Yeah, the red one,
I
right?
see.
It's Satar, right?
Yeah, it's
Satar.
new open.
So guys, ito yung every November I think they're putting this Christmas tree. You've been here before? You try to enter here? Huh? So ayan guys. Ano lang siya, it's a walking distance from my house, no? This mall. This is small, right?
Yeah, this is small mall.
But not bigger mall, no? Not like the other. So I want to check guys what's the decoration there. And see this mall. And so tomorrow you are off also? 2 days?
2 days.
Good. But the salary is better than before?
Yeah, already.
Okay. So it's good, no?
Yes.
So guys, ito lang yon. Dito nyo siya makikita itong mall na to. Ito yung Hamdan Street, West Zone. Tapos sa likod lang siya. Ito siya. Tara, pasok. Let's go. Ito siya guys. Can you video for me? So come. See guys, they have showed the Christmas tree. Nice, no?
Stand here. Stand here.
Come guys. They have this decoration. Let's check it. See, they have this Italian shop. See, right here. They have this guy. It's still not finished. Guys, it's still not finished. But they have this giant Christmas tree. What's the good on this? You will feel the Christmas when you see this. Look of the rainbow. Dito lang yung hearts and sky. Okay, pag natapos siya, pwede kayo mag-picture-picture. Nice guys. Before we have a picture here, na-miss ko tuloy si Jean, yung aking friend. Si Mikey, si Jean yan. May picture kami dito before. Papakita ko sa inyo yung picture namin before here. See there. Have the reindeer, the snowman. It's nice. Ate, still not finished?
Yeah, it's still not finished.
When they will open, ate? December? December, yeah.
तुम्हें देंगे बस अब एक नहीं एक दो
Let's go up. Akyat tayo. Thank you. Guys, ito pala yung yung bagong open dito na Kabayang Gourmet. Ayan siya. So, ito Luken. Ayan siya, 49.59. Ayan. So, guys, here. Before we go here, we took coffee with my friend, Jean and Mikey. See, guys, they have a body shop here also. Buy 3, get 1. Ayan guys, packet kami ni Hasan. Hasan, first time you come here? You come here before?
Yeah.
What did you do? You buy something?
No, only
Checking, walking. Aha. See guys, nag-ano pa rin sila. Nagde-decorate pa rin. Here before we eat here. This restaurant. See guys, meron ditong cake shop. See, they have a nice cake. See, oh my God! This is cake. Wow! Guys, see. Ang galing nila gumawa ng cake. Ate, pakita ko lang. Nagla-vlog. See guys, they have a nice cake. Hello po. Hi. Good evening. Ayan po mga kabayan sila rito sa Abu Dhabi.
Dito, kabayan.
Oo, ano to? Second floor, no?
First floor.
First floor, ayun. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng mga cake, ano na, decors. Oo nga, Na-try ko na before dito, nag-copy kami nung friend ko. Thank you, ate. Yan. Invite nyo sila nung name nung ano, bacon cake, no? Yung shop. Sige po. Thank you. Thank you. See guys, pwede kayo magpa-customize ng ano, cake. Dito. Yan. Ang ganda guys, nung setup ng kanilang ano, coffee shop. Cake shop. Still not finished, no? See? It's very big. Christmas tree, guys. So, ilang days na lang before Christmas? I think 44 or 43 days na. Ha?
1 month. 1 month, 2 months.
Because 25 is Christmas. So, there's another coffee shop here, guys. See? And then Marks and Spencer. Tsaka may flower shop din pala rito, guys. Ayan siya. Tapos meron dito, guys, ano, sports shop. Ayan, o Yonex. Meron sila. Sports shop. So, guys, ayan ang ganda ng mga pabitin nila sa Christmas tree. May mga ano siya, iba't ibang klase. Sineseta pa rin nila, guys. Tapos ayan, may mga garland sila, decoration sa may taas. Ang ganda, guys. Tapos may mga ano sila, mga naka-decorate na snowman. See, they have snowman sa ceiling. Babalik tayo next time na when it's already finished, no?
Yeah.
So we can have picture. So now, kakain na kami ni Hassan. We're going to eat in, let's go eat there, no? You can take bus, no? No problem. Guys, pakita ko lang, may Santa Claus sila rito. Nasa sleigh. Ayan siya. So, hindi pa tapos. Sineset up nila. Ayan siya. So, babalik tayo next week. I think next week it's all done, no? It's all finished. So, punta na kami dun sa aming kakainan ni ano. Sana guys, mag-enjoy kayo dito sa aming vlog. This is the name. See the name. Ha?
4 tower, 4.
Ayan guys, yung name ng mall na to.
It's 4 tower and 4 different names. Tower 1, tower 2, tower 3.
Where's the tower 1?
Tower 1 is in big side.
Okay. This is the fourth one.
This one, I think tower 1. Like, this is tower 4.
So, ang name pala guys is
Tower
Poto Alcayer. Poto Alcayer, ha?
Yeah, it's tower 4.
So, ayan lang guys. So, pwede kayo rito bumaba sa may Hamdan Street, sa may West Zone. Tapos, sa likod lang siya ng West Zone mismo. So, dalhin yung mga kids nyo guys. Ayan siya.
Inside though.
Ha?
Wala inside.
What's the inside?
Need cigarette?
Later, after we eat. So, yun lang guys. Dito lang siya. Baba kayo rito ng bus. Tapos doon lang yung mall. Ayun siya mismo. Ayun siya guys.
A few moments later.
And yes, papunta na kami ni Hassan sa may restaurant. So this is Hamdan. Hamdan Street. You eat there before? No? You tried? I think it's more people. Better we go inside. What do you think?
Inside.
Huh?
Outside is good.
Let's check.
Okay.
Let's open the mic. That's it?
Now start.
Okay. So guys, nandito na kami ni Hassan sa may Hamdan Street. So may spicy saka. Yan siya. So show to them this restaurant. So first time I came here, I'm living there on that building, but see, only first time. So I will try to eat this the food here in Sabah. You like here? But it's hot, no? Yeah, you see the street, on the street. We post already.
चावल कांटे वाली है ना, इसमें कोई कांटे वाले
Yeah, sir.
एक कांटे वाले आते हैं, लेकिन वो फ्राई वाला है ना,
तो वो हमको पिक वगैरह दूसरे Not like prawn Manchurian? Prawn Manchurian होता है same like this.
This one?
Not this one, but same like this.
You order for you, then I will order my food.
Okay, no problem.
Alright? I think I like this one.
half
Half
one quarter,
only.
same rice.
Yeah.
This quarter will do. Half is too much.
Ah,
This
quarter.
quarter, yeah.
Okay, quarter.
One quarter is one.
Yeah, this quarter will do.
You don't like
Prawn
that?
Manchurian दे दें. And साथ में क्या prawn Manchurian ज़्यादा अच्छा है, fried rice ज़्यादा अच्छा है?
आपको prawn manchurian में चाहिए ये वाला लीजिए. Shredded.
Ate, where are you from?
हाँ, ये सही है.
Say hi to them.
ये ठीक
What's
है.
your name, Ate? Your Sunita.
ये दे दें.
Okay, तो आपको ये वाला चाहिए. For you this one,
Yeah.
normal, right?
Yeah.
One.
That's
Right.
spicy. Yeah. Thank you, Ate. So, what did you order? Hasan?
This one. Fried rice with prawn Manchurian. This is good, you will try.
You try also this.
I already tried this one.
You said half,
I
no?
already tried this one.
So guys, meron silang watermelon. I think this is watermelon. Appetizer. Hasan, invite your friends to my vlog to subscribe. Yala. Tell. Yeah. Tell your friends to subscribe. Yeah.
Like and subscribe. What do you know?
Leo Recacho.
Leo Ricacho.
Yeah. All Pakistani, yeah?
All Pakistanis.
Subscribe guys. Ayan guys yung kanilang serve na ni ate. Ate, what's your name? Sunita, yeah. Ayan guys, ang sarap.
बोल रहे तो गलत बात उनका लेकर आ गया.
So guys, sinerve mo na yung aking ano. What do you call this, mandi? Chicken mandi. Tapos guys, meron lagi sila rito guys na merong ano. Meron silang salad. Yan siya. Tapos meron, what is this?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce,
This garlic.
garlic paste,
And
and
this green.
this is spicy, right?
Green sauce, yeah.
Yeah. Because before Hasan is working in a restaurant, no? Now he's a personal company driver. So I will interview you because you don't want to interview. So yan guys. Sarap niya guys, oh. But the chicken is small, no? Not like before. When you eat in the restaurant, the chicken is big.
There's two parts. One like leg pig and one like chest piece. Chest piece is
The
big.
breast, the breast.
Yeah, breast is big. This one is small.
Okay. So yan guys, try ko na. Where's your food? I'm already about to start eating. This lemon you need to do like this. Huh?
My food also coming.
Show.
Thank you. This
So what is your
prawn
food?
Manchurian and fried rice.
It's good, no?
Yeah.
Try the chicken also.
You want this one?
Mm. Sarap siya, guys. So what they are putting on this rice? Why it's become yellow?
One making like color,
Mm.
yellow color, and one onion, fry onion.
So it's only food color.
Food color some different dishes, different types like.
Ang sarap guys nung chicken mandi. Malambot yung chicken. You know the chicken meat, it's tender. See? It's cute na.
I will eat.
I will try.
Yeah, it's good.
Spicy.
Not spicy.
So guys, in order ni Asan, shrimp. This is sweet and sour.
Sweet and someone mix.
Yeah, sweet and sour.
That's why I'm trying this one.
You have also like that in Lower Garbar? Huh? Huh? You not going there anymore?
Going sometime.
Lower Garbar?
Wait, this one rice.
Before I met you in Subir, I have a friend there, the one in the chai, what's his name?
Lal
Huh?
Qasim.
Asim, yeah. Before when I was sitting in Japari,
Yeah.
he's there before, right? He's my friend.
Also your friend.
Yeah.
You eat this one rice.
Sarap guys nung ano nila. Hindi siya maalat tapos ano. Malambot yung chicken. So if they want spicy, they have spicy also, right? If they like spicy. You like the food? Huh?
I think this very dry.
Ah, really?
We're not making dry.
Maybe not fresh. Ngayon guys, ang tapos na namin kainin. Masarap siya pero medyo maliit yung servings. Medyo maliit yung servings. This is good, no? But the problem only few prawns, no? They put only small. How many pieces?
3 to 4 pieces.
So ayan guys, kumain na. We will check here. This side, right? The kebab. What's the name? So guys, ayun, tapos na kami kumain ni Hassan. You like the food or no? You didn't enjoy?
Yeah.
Huh?
Taste is not good. It's only 50-50.
So you will give score 50 only? Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Score 50 only.
What's your grade?
50.
50?
Oh my god!
So which area is that? So yun guys, tapos na kami kumain. Ngayon papasya lang kami. We will walk so our stomach is not become bigger na. Punta kami guys dito, sabi niya meron to parang binebentang. So you stay which building before? So yun guys, that's our video for tonight. Then me and Nathan, we're going home now. So we're planning to, we have another part 2 for this video guys. Please watch, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube channel. So makapanood kayo ng mga next video na gagawin ko guys. So thank you for watching guys. So, please watch the part 2 of our video here in the park. So you will see the next vlog guys. Enjoy. Thank you. Bye. Bye.